Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm not gonna lie, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 unboxings to film. Jane has taken Fox out for a walk and we're gonna get on it. So I've just grabbed the first one off the top of the pile and it is Mood by Innocent Bones. If you don't know, Mood is like a craft box. You get really cute crafty things in it. You get a cross stitch, which is always amazing. I'll leave the link to the website. She's also just launched jumpers and stuff, and I bought myself one, and it says don't be a dick, and it is the comfiest jumper ever. Why don't you want to rip? Oh, because I was ripping it the wrong way. Can't remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen. Oh, something in here smells good. So this is the Modern Tarot box, and then it tells us everything that's going to be in it, so we'll just jump in and have a look. So this is what we've got, but something in here smells lovely. So this says the blackened teeth. These skull candles by the blackened teeth are so beautiful that you probably won't want to burn them. Oh, excuse me, got a burp. Oh, this is what I can smell. Oh my god, I love it. Vanilla. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look, I love that. Oh my god, I literally want to eat it. That smells amazing. That is so pretty. I'm not burning that. I'm just going to put it on the side and it can just smell nice on the side. Look, it can be like my head. Hello. That's super cute. Next up, I think I've got food. Have we got food? 100% plant-based. Fellow Creatures, salted caramel chocolate and creamy milkless chocolate. I've got 2 chocolate bars. Because why not? There's nothing better then when you're ready to have an indulgent snack, and these are vegan chocolate. Let's have a little try of the salted caramel one. Oh, it looks like a Caramac. It's like Caramac coloured. Smells good. It's got a nice bit of salt. Like, I hate salted caramel, and then you just, all you can taste is caramel. I bet it's got a nice bit of salt on it. Yummy. I've got a pinwheel for all the crafts. Beautiful. So this is Dork Faced Craft, the Lovers, and it's a pin badge. That is really cute. It's got 2 bits on the back as well because it's a heavy one, so it's, you can attach it 2 times, which is nice. I have got a massive collection of pin badges, so I'm super happy with that. And then I've got the threads, which are for the cross stitch. And then I've got prints and stickers. So the colour palette and design of these stunning illustrations by Jade Holly Design completely sum up the modern tarot theme. Fresh and magical. This looks gorgeous. If I can link any of the Instagrams or anything down below, I will. So I've got some stickers. Oh my god. L'amour, la lune, l'estelle, le judgment. I love it. That's really cute. And again, I've got like so many prints to put on into frames. But because we're moving, I just don't want to put more holes in the wall that I've got to fill. So I'm just collecting. I've got loads and loads. I must have got about 15 prints that have gone into, that need to go into frames. And then you've got stickers. These are so cute. So the moon, death, like all-seeing eye, judgment, and 3 daggers and a star. They are beautiful. I absolutely love that. And then the last thing in here is the cross stitch. And this is the Modern Tarot. Let's have a look. I've got so many of these and I just haven't even started them yet. I'm not even going to lie. I've like started one and I don't have the time. One day, hopefully, I'll have the time. But in here, you get your instructions because it's a counted cross stitch. It's not a printed one. You get your hoop, your needle, thread, your fabric. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This is a really tricky one, like really tricky one. but it looks beautiful. The Crafter. I love that, but again, I just don't have time to do it. One day, maybe when I'm like super old, I'll get time to do them. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog, but I know Grace at Instant Bones won't care if there's a dog in my video. Not that she would care anyway. I paid for this all myself. This is not PR, but she does love dogs, which is why I mentioned to Knobhead down there. Bob! Hello, what are you doing? Always click-clacking on the floor, aren't you, while I'm filming? Good boy. Yeah, I'll put it on the screen how much it is. I think that's my favourite. I love that. It's really, really lovely. I can't wait to put that in a frame and get that up at the new house. But yeah, that was the crafty box. I know lots of you do love crafty things. If you are a crafter, let me know what your crafty thing is. If you've got an Instagram, put it down below. If you've got an Etsy shop, put it down below. Let's spread the love and share some crafty goodness. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.